Thinly slice the cabbage. Rinse it once with water and drain well. Place the drained cabbage in a bowl. Julienne a small amount of carrots. Julienne a little onion too. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and let it sit for about 10 minutes. I have some leftover chives in the fridge. I will chop them up a bit. After 10 minutes, a lot of water has come out of the vegetables. Squeeze out the moisture with your hands. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 3 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and a little pepper. Mix like you are making scrambled eggs. Once the eggs are somewhat cooked, add the vegetables and a bit of chives. Add about half a tablespoon of oyster sauce or soy sauce. Add half tablespoon of sesame oil. Stir fry the vegetables on medium heat for about 1 minute. Let it cool on a plate for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, soak a small rice paper in cold water and shake off the excess water. Place about 2 tablespoons of the cooked vegetable and egg mixture on the rice paper. Roll it from the bottom up, wrapping the ingredients inside. Fold in the sides slightly. Roll it up completely. Put 1 tablespoon of oil in a preheated pan. Once the oil is hot, place each dumpling in the pan. Make sure the cabbage egg dumplings do not stick to each other. Since the inside ingredients are already cooked, you only need to crisp the outside. Cook on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip each one. After another 2 to 3 minutes, your cabbage egg dumplings are ready to be served on a plate. Healthy and delicious rice paper egg cabbage dumpling is done.